unicorn.
Hello little unicorns, it's Chilipili. Today we are throwing a pizza party on paper. Are you guys ready? First let's draw our dancing pizza slice. Let's give him a cute party hat. I love drawing, it's so fun to draw. Try to draw with me. Every dancing pizza needs a happy face. Let's draw our pizza slice happy face. Next, let's draw our soda cup friend. Party with dancing floor is more fun. So let's draw the dancing floor. Wow, look at the disco ball. Next we are going to draw the disco ball. Looks like an awesome party. Let's color it. Now comes the best part. This pizza party should look so colorful. So use your imagination and color it. Just have fun coloring. What kind of crazy colors are you going to use? Where do you think this pizza party is going on? Did you know that pizza is one of the most popular foods in the world and soda is often a drink of choice? Wow, our pizza party drawing is so awesome!
Amazing!
Hope you guys loved this drawing. Please subscribe to my channel.